One of the questions I see most often during the live streams is, hey, do I have enough time to transfer brokers before the AMC stock short squeeze takes place? The short answer is yes. Obviously, the long answer depends on when you're watching this video, but let's go over some of the signs that you need to look for and really what it takes when you're considering transferring brokers and stuff like that. So, of course, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. Look, it should be of concern to you. Maybe if you're using Robinhood or some other brokerage accounts, I know a lot of people get a little worried that they might not be able to take advantage of the price swings in AMC when we see this short squeeze happen. And the number one answer that I have, if you feel uncomfortable with your broker, it might be time to consider transferring. I'm comfortable with Webull. Link in the description below if you want to check it out. But look, I'm comfortable with Webull, and if you're comfortable with Robinhood, if you're comfortable with Fidelity, TD, whatever your broker is, Charles Schwab, it does not matter what your broker is, as long as you are comfortable with them. If you trust them, then I wouldn't be too concerned about transferring brokerage accounts and moving your stocks from one to another. However, if you can't sleep at night, if you really do worry whether or not your shares are going to be available during the AMC stock short squeeze, then yes, this is something that you should consider. You know, all brokers are different, but at the end of the day, all brokers are the same, right? They allow you to buy and sell shares. So if you are concerned that your broker will not allow you to buy and sell shares, let's talk about how long it takes and whether or not you're going to miss out on the short squeeze. So after polling everybody, after talking to everybody in the live streams, it takes, and depending which broker to which broker, it takes about 3 to 5 business days or 3 to 5 trading days for your funds to be transferred from one broker to the other. Robinhood to Webull seems to work pretty smoothly, and people do not have problems with that. So at this point in time, I think it would be okay to commence that transfer if it's something that you're interested in and if it's something that you think would alleviate some of your stress. Now, if you're watching this video sometime in the future, we need to see some price action before the short squeeze starts. We need to know how long the short squeeze is going to last. And I don't think that we're there yet. Price needs to rise above the $12 mark. We've still got a lot of resistance at 14. And really, we need to break through that $20 mark before the hedge funds are basically losing money on all of their short positions. So these are some indicators and these are some price marks that you can look at. Volume. Days to cover right now with the daily average volume is somewhere around 2 days roughly, give or take. And that's not giving the hedge funds too much of worry, too much risk out there. So it's not something that I believe is really going to trigger the short squeeze. As far as regulation goes, regulation doesn't happen overnight. So if you're expecting them to come out and put in some sort of new regulation that's going to trigger the short squeeze this coming week, I doubt that they would not only get that regulation out there, but get it implemented and enforced within the next week. So all of these things added together, I really think that you're going to be safe if you initiate that transfer sometime in the near future. And look, we talk about duration of the short squeeze too. Right, if you start the transfer now and we began to squeeze, once you get those shares in your new account, you're going to be able to close those positions out. Their gains, your cost basis, all of that stuff stays the same, so you're going to be able to take advantage of those gains. What you should be concerned about is if you're worried that, okay, well, I transfer now, and in the next 3 days, the short squeeze happens and finishes, and the stock price drops all the way back down to the current levels that it's at right now. That's really where the concern should lie, and I don't think that that's something that is very plausible, right? I don't think the short squeeze is going to start Monday and then end Tuesday or Wednesday before your funds would actually transfer over and all of your shares would transfer over to the new account. So guys, hopefully this sheds a little bit of light on it. If it's a concern that you have, if you're worried about it, show up and ask some more questions in the live stream if you want to get a little bit more detail about it and things like that. But I don't think at this point we're right there. The short squeeze is going to take place on Monday and end by Wednesday, and you're going to miss out on the entire thing if you're looking to transfer. Of course, this is my opinion. If you guys do want to transfer, that's completely up to you. And these are average days that we're talking about here. That 3 to 5 day average, the 3 to 5 business days is an average. So, I mean, at the end of the day, I'm not your broker. I don't know if your transfer could wind up having any problems or anything like that. So please don't blame me if you go to initiate the transfer and it takes longer than 3 to 5 business days. I'm just allowing you guys to know what I see in the live streams, what people are reporting to me, and how long they seem to take on average. So guys, let us know down in the comments below if you have already initiated that transfer and if you've seen those funds transfer. Let us know down there to kind of ease the minds of people on how long it really takes and that the process is relatively painless. I believe that would be a good thing for a lot of people to see, is that it's not something to worry about. It's a very easy process and that they can get it done rather quickly. So of course, guys, if you like the content on the channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we're growing our portfolios together. Link in the description for Twitter, ClayBro883 at Twitter. Make sure to follow me there. And what else we got? Webull link. Pretty sure I already said that. Use the link down in the description below for Webull. Deposit $100. Sell those free stocks you get. Buy AMC. You got a free share of AMC at that point, so you're part of the squeeze and you've got nothing to worry about. And anything else? I don't think so. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.